Hello, Selena here. Today I'm going to share with you how to bulk create 30 days of content using Canva Bulk Create. Let's dive in. So first, you want to open a ChatGPT account. And once you have a ChatGPT, you click on a new chat, and then we're going to type in a prompt. Generate 30 days of social media posts for personal branding and content creation. Each post should have 3 sentences in 1 line. Make posts simple, clear, beginner friendly, and unique. There we have it. Just give it a minute to generate all 30 days of content. There we go. So once we have that, we want to copy everything and then open up a blank Google Sheet document, and then you just paste it in. And you want to make sure to give it a name. So let's name it We'll create 30 days content. All right, there we have it. So once we have this document ready, you wanted to move on to next. You want to open a Canva account. And once you have a Canva account, you want to upload a photo or image. You just drag and drop it here or click on the photo editor, and then you'll have some of the photo that you're already in the photo. In this case, I'm going to choose one and then create design. And then next, we wanted to make this as a background. What we're doing is we're creating a template so that we can link the document into this template. So after I'm adjusting my background image, I'm going to add this shape and then make the color white. Okay, so that way it will have more contrast for our text so you can see better. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put a Instagram style logo, which I have it in my previous video. I show you how to create this type of Instagram style logo. If you wanted to know how to create this, you can go check out that video. And then next, I'm going to add another text box, just a little one on the bottom. This will be where we put our handles. And then I wanted to change the size, make it a little bit smaller. I like it to be 18. Okay, just a very small one. It's there. And make sure it's on center. And then next, I'm going to add another text box, which is going to be where our main copywriting box. So you want to make sure you adjust this first to make it set so it will wrap around automatically once you link it. And then we wanted to change your font, change however the font you like it, and make the size. I'm gonna make it 28. And then also I wanted to make it aligned to the front, maybe a little bit like that. Make it a little bit bigger, just like that. All right, now we have our template. And next, what we're gonna do is we're going to link our file with this main text box. So you wanted to go to apps and then just type in Bulk Create and hit enter. And now you have this icon, you click onto it and it will ask you which file format you want to upload it. So let's click on Google Sheets, okay? And then find the file that we just created, which is the Bulk Create 30 days content. Here we go. There we have it, press done. Okay, and next, you wanna make sure your text box is highlighted, it's selected. And then on the top over here, you'll see connect data. You wanna click on that and then click onto the text. There we go. And then you come here and to hit continue. And it will show you all the copywriting here. It's ready to be created. So let's create. Just give it a minute. There we have it. Let's see. All right. Isn't that quick and easy? So easy. And then if you want to change a photo, you think, okay, I don't want every day the image to be the same. You'll just come here and then pick any photo you want. You can, let's say, change this one, and then you click on the image and then set image as background. Boom, you have it. And then this one, I don't want it. I want it maybe, let's choose this one. And also set image as background. There you have it. And then you just keep doing this. If you want to change all the image to however you want it to be, you just keep repeating and then you'll have all the image as your background. And that's it. There we have it. I will be dropping the prompt in the description below where you can just easy plug and play and have your 30 days content generated and then start bulk creating. In my previous video, I also created a 30-day content idea generator. Let me just show you real quick. So this is my 30-day content idea generator. At the end of this, it's a very simple 3-step system. Step 1, you just define your niche, and then there's different categories, who your audience is, ask you some questions, who you help, And then step number 2 is to choose your 3 content pillar. That is going to be your main structure of your content. And then you can go through this. And then the step 3 is the master prompt that I will be giving you as a bonus. You can simply just copy the entire prompt, just copy the prompt, and then plug in all these questions, and then put it into ChatGPT, and then you'll have your 30 days content created for you. That's specifically designed, tailored for your audience, which is awesome. So everybody will be different. All right, I hope you enjoy. Happy creating.